Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In today's video, we are going to be learning how we can change theme on our iOS 18 update. Changing the theme on iOS 18 allows you to personalize your iPhone's appearance. And here is how you can do it. First of all, go ahead and access the home screen setting. From your home screen, press and hold in an empty area until the app starts to jiggle. Once it does, you will be able to see an edit button appearing at the top left corner. Tap on it and in the pop-up, click on Customize. Now, from the Customize menu, you will see options like Light, Dark, Automatic, and Tinted. Choose the one you prefer from the menu. Soon after you choose one of these options, you will be able to see your theme change on the home screen. If you choose Tinted, you can change all app colors to a single choice. Go ahead and drag the sliders and pick the color of your preference for your theme. After you are done, you will be able to change your theme on your iPhone 18's home screen. Now, you can enjoy customizing your iPhone. That is how you easily change the theme on your iOS 18. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.